Hey there! Welcome back to Kengineer TV. Today, we're diving into one of the most critical phases of construction, site preparation. This video will guide you through every step, from the initial assessment to the final touches before construction begins. So, let's get started. The role of site preparation in construction. First, let's discuss why site preparation is so crucial. Proper site preparation is the foundation of any successful construction project. It ensures that the land is stable and ready to support the structure for the long term. Without it, the entire project is at risk. Site preparation involves several key steps: clearing the site, grading, excavation, and ensuring proper drainage. Each step is vital to ensuring the site is ready for building. Without proper preparation, you risk structural issues, water damage, and other long-term problems. It's not just about the physical work. Following regulations and standards is also crucial. Everything needs to be done according to the required specifications to avoid any legal or safety issues. Initial site assessment and planning. Before any physical work begins, the first major step is site assessment. This includes land surveying, soil testing, and environmental impact studies. These processes provide detailed information that guides the planning and design of the site. Land surveying helps us understand the topography of the site, the natural shape and features of the land. This information is crucial for creating a site plan that will guide the entire project. Soil testing is equally important. It tells us about the soil composition, bearing capacity, and groundwater presence. Results from soil tests determine the type of foundation required. For example, if the soil is soft, pile driving might be necessary to reach a stable layer. This step is crucial because it lays the foundation for all subsequent work. Next is the planning phase. This is where we develop the site plans based on all the collected data. The design and plans are based on the standards chosen by the client or depending on the building code provided and mandated. These plans will guide every aspect of site preparation. With the plans in place, the next step is site clearing. This involves removing vegetation, rocks, debris, and sometimes existing structures. Clearing the site is essential for preparing it for the next phases. Safety is a top priority during site clearing. Heavy machinery is used, and there are risks involved, especially when dealing with hazardous materials. Proper disposal of debris and waste materials is also crucial. After clearing, if there are existing structures that need to be demolished, that's the next step. This requires careful planning to avoid damaging areas that shouldn't be affected. Proper disposal and handling of demolished materials are essential. Once the site is clear, excavation begins. This step involves digging the ground to reach the required depth according to the design plans. Precision is key here. Getting the depth and slope right is critical for a stable foundation. Excavation is not just about digging a hole, it's about accuracy. If the depth or angle is incorrect, it can lead to issues such as uneven settling or weakened foundations. The depth is determined by soil test results to ensure stability. This step also includes trenching for utilities and ensuring that the excavation aligns with the site plan. Proper trenching is crucial for the safe and efficient installation of underground utilities. After excavation, grading and drainage are the next steps. Grading levels the land and creates a slope that ensures proper drainage. This prevents water from pooling around the foundation, which can cause long-term damage. Proper grading requires precision. The land must be shaped so that water flows away from the building. At this stage, drainage systems are also installed, such as French drains or stormwater management systems, to handle rainwater and prevent damage. Grading is not just about making the land flat. It's about creating the right contours to manage water flow. These solutions are tailored to the specific conditions of the site, based on earlier assessments and tests. Next is compaction. This step stabilizes the soil and reduces the risk of future settling. Proper compaction ensures a strong and stable foundation. Compaction is done in layers, usually around 200 millimeters thick, and each layer is compacted to 95% dry density depending on the required maximum moisture content needed. This creates a solid base for the foundation. The number of layers and the method of compaction depend on the soil test results. Proper compaction is essential to prevent issues like uneven settling or cracks. Using the right equipment, such as rollers and vibratory compactors, ensures that the soil is compacted evenly and thoroughly. After compaction, the site is ready for foundation preparation. This includes marking out the exact layout of the foundation and ensuring everything is in place before construction begins. Before construction starts, final site preparations and inspections are crucial. This ensures that everything is up to standard and ready for the next phase. Inspections cover grading, compaction, and drainage systems. Any issues must be addressed before construction begins. Final preparations also include setting up temporary facilities like site offices and storage areas, and marking boundaries and access points. These final steps are essential for a smooth construction process. It's about ensuring everything is in place and the site is safe and ready for building. And that wraps up our detailed look at site preparation. We've covered everything from initial assessments and planning to clearing, excavation, grading, and compaction, all the way to final preparations and inspections. Proper site preparation is critical to the success of any construction project. By following these steps, you ensure that your site is ready for building and that the structure will be stable and durable. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more construction tips and insights. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Next up, we'll dive into excavation, where we start digging to get the site ready for the foundation. Stay tuned for that. Follow me for more construction insights, and let's keep building strong.